Well, hopefully going out won't be as tiring as hiking in. The snow here is only about 1.5 feet deep. But, man, up on that road, it's every bit of 2.5 feet deep. It's up to my thighs. Sure is pretty here. It's still snowing. Let's see what the creek looks like. The snow on this bridge is steep. Isn't it pretty? Purge me with hyssop and I shall be clean. Wash me and I shall be whiter than snow. Are covered in the snow, so we'll see what the grist mill looks like. I think it's about 3/4 mile. Boy, this is beautiful. I hope y'all like those pictures I took. Got a lot of different angles. Spent about an hour and a half at the grist mill. That'd be good for postcards and stuff. I bet there's very few, if any, pictures of the grist mill like that. I'm almost out of here. I know it sounds like I'm out of breath, but I just walked almost 2 miles in 2 feet plus deep of snow. Look at them snowflakes. There's the Forestwander mobile. I got stuck. Well, I did get stuck trying to park it. Glad I didn't come out here and stay the night. I'd have been spending a couple days here or more. Hallelujah. Made it.